Hello and welcome to another practice session on Basic Arithmetic. In this video, we'll be practicing example 3 from Basic Arithmetic tab. This example, it has a data set related to sales data processing. We have different electronics and accessories product. We have their unit sold and unit price. We need to calculate some data based on this data set. Okay, let's jump into the first task. It's saying that calculate the total revenue using the formula unit sold time unit price. So here you can calculate the total revenue using this unit sold times unit price. If you press enter, it will generate the revenue from this 120 laptops sold. If you now double click on this right corner, it will generate the revenue for each categories of item. Let's say you also want to sum this item, what has been the total revenue from all the category. You can do so again from sum, choose the total revenue column and close it and press enter. You will see the total revenue generated from that store. In similar way, if you want to find total units sold, you can do so using the sum function. So sum total units sold, we'll get that from here. Close the parenthesis, press enter. That's all. Let's say you want to find the average unit price. You have different unit price for different product. If you want to find the average, you can use a function named average. So this takes the range as input, this unit price, close the parenthesis, press enter. You'll see it will generate an average price for this unit price list. Next comes the maximum minimum functionality. To calculate maximum from a range or from a list, you need to choose the function max, and for finding minimum, choose the function min. So let's find out the maximum revenue and minimum revenue. We'll type max. Now choose the total revenue column, close parenthesis, press enter. It will show you that this is the maximum revenue. In similar way, you can find the minimum revenue. Choose the range, press enter. You will see that this is the minimum revenue and it is returning that value. Find the minimum value using min function. So that was easy. Let's say you want to find out how many products belong to the electronics category from the list. You can do so using the function COUNTIF. So if you type COUNTIF, the first thing it takes is the range from where you want to search the term. So we'll choose this range, then put a comma, then it's asking for criteria. So the criteria is electronics. We want to find electronics from the list. Be careful about the spelling. It must be exactly the same as in the list. If you now press enter, you'll see from the list only 4 items belongs to electronics category. I hope you got an idea how to perform this sort of arithmetic operation. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.